So talking about accessibility, my panelists have actually spoken about a lot of points that needs to be covered. But talking about accessibility and especially the accessibility for employment and for schools and for many other areas that we generally see. And I am not only specifically talking about a particular disability, because as ma'am mentioned that there are 21 disabilities that have been listed. So catering to all of them, there are, so the challenges that we have experienced, or I have experienced, is when it comes to education, the accessibility to education, yes. And for that we have lots of aids and assistive devices, technologies. Today a lot of innovations have come in which talk about and which bring in inclusion. And talking about that, so if we generally see a visually impaired person and we think that if that person has to use computer or go to a job and use a computer, how is he supposed to use the computer? Because generally people ask me, are they using the same computer that I use? Yes. So that's again accessibility, because there are simple applications, simple technologies which have made their life easy. So there is NVDA, and it's the non-visual display which helps them to use any general computer and make use of it like any one of us. So also the voice recognition softwares. The panel who just spoke before us spoke about the gloves, that for the hearing impaired. So in fact there are, that was an amazing thing. And I would like to also say that, of course, when we talk about entertainment, we talk about education, we talk about everything, but we do not realize that there are so much of inclusion that needs to happen even in recreation, leisure, when it comes to play, when it comes to, including them everywhere. So there, I would like to say that there is a new application, like how the gloves came in for hearing impairment, that helps them. So there's also applications. अगर आप मूवी देखने गए हैं, आप जो भी देख रहे हैं स्क्रीन पे, कभी कभी ऐसा होता है कि स्क्रीन पे बहुत सारी चीज़ चल रही होती है, एक बैकग्राउंड म्यूज़िक चल रहा होता है, एक्टर्स आ रहे हैं, जा रहे हैं, फेस पे एक्सप्रेशंस आ रहे हैं एक्टर्स के, लेकिन एक विजुअली इम्पेयर्ड अगर उस मूवी को देख रहा है तो वो तो सिर्फ सुन रहा है. तो अगर वो सिर्फ सुन रहा है तो वो कितने सारे डिटेल्स मिस कर रहा है. उस म्यूज़िक के दौरान, उस एक्सप्रेशंस के दौरान कितनी सारी चीज़ें हैं जो मिस आउट हो जाती है. सो अभी व्हेन आई एम स्पेसिफिकली टॉकिंग अबाउट द एक्सेसिबिलिटी, देयर इज़ एन एप्लीकेशन विच इज़ कॉल्ड नोवाफ्लिक्स, जो वॉइस ऑडियो डिस्क्रिप्शन के साथ आता है. सो जैसे हम कैप्शंस की बात कर रहे थे फॉर हियरिंग इम्पेयर्ड, जो कि कोई भी चीज़ को विथ कैप्शंस पढ़ सकता है, सेम वे एक विजुअल इम्पेयर्ड के लिए यूजिंग दिस एप्लीकेशंस गिव देम एन एक्सेसिबिलिटी टू फॉर द एंटरटेनमेंट दैट एनी वन ऑफ अस वुड लाइक टू see the movies or enjoy the movies. So ऐसे बहुत सारे accessible devices हैं, assistive devices हैं, जो उनको education में, mobility में, जैसे हमने देखा, in the last panel we had someone who's the panelist who spoke about the belt, a kind of a gear that was helpful. So same way there are many other, like the smart canes that he spoke about. There are smart glasses today, which can be eyes for the visually impaired. They can actually tell you each and every detail that is, happening in front of them. They can tell you the age of the person who's sitting in front of them. They can tell you whether it's a male or a female. तो ये सब चीज़ें जो है, ये हमारे पर्सन विद डिसेबिलिटी की लाइफ को एक्सेसिबल बनाने के लिए है, उनकी लाइफ को बिल्कुल ही हम जैसों के द स्टीरियोटिपिकल लोगों की तरह ही हम उनके साथ वो हमारे तरह लाइफ को एक्सेस कर सकें, इसलिए है। इसके साथ साथ कम्युनिकेशन, व्हेन आई टॉक अबाउट एक्सेसिबिलिटी, इसमें कम्युनिकेशन भी एक बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट पार्ट आता है, जहाँ पे द चिल्ड्रन, द पर्सन विथ ऑटिज़म एंड ऑल, जहाँ पर सोशल कम्युनिकेशन डिसऑर्डर्स हैं, वहाँ पर इट मेक्स अ लॉट ऑफ इम्पैक्ट व्हेन दे यूज़ द tablets or the mobile phones or the applications for communication. So coming to the point is that today when we talk about employment, especially because sir told me about connecting it to the employment, so it's very important to have this accessibility, and which is more or less there. Creating awareness is equally important, and providing them jobs and trainings is also an integral part for, and I think Sarthak has been into lot of the work that has been there for employment as well as accessibility. All right, thank you so much.